Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to create an animation title with Elementor Pro and use some other animations with it. Okay, so in order to create your animation title, you have to download Elementor Pro. And in order to do that, I put the link to download it on the description below. After you have downloaded it and activated the license, you can create a new page and edit it with Elementor. Here you can search the widget animation headline and just drag it right here. You can see you have this style of highlighted text. You can change the shape like circle, curly, also underline, and also double lines right here. Also double underline and underline zigzag. You can also do a line like this and strike through and X on the text. These are the shapes of this style, but if you change this to rotating, you can add a new animation of rotating text that you write right here. On each row, you can add a new text line. And you can change the animation of typing, clip, flip, swirl, blinds, drop in, wave, slide, and slide down right here. Of course, you can change the infinite loop that it will stop on the last line. Also, you can change the duration of the animation for 1.5 seconds or even more, 3.5 seconds. These are milliseconds, so every 1000 is 1 second. You can also add a link right here, so all the title will be link. An HTML tag to change it for the SEO if you have any optimization. Of course, the alignment, just normal alignment. And the style, you can change the text color. As you can see, you can also edit the different typography for each headline or the animated text. This can be a different typography for each one of them, and you can edit it as well. And you can also make it a responsive mode, a different typography size on the mobile and on the tablet and on the desktop, so it will be different and responsive. As you saw, it's very easy to create an animation title with Elementor. If you have any more questions, you can write that on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I put in the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share.